Hey guys, just want to make a quick video on some of what I think are the best quick electrical connectors you can buy these days. Make all kinds of installations from home wiring to 12 volt tinkering, so much easier. They're called Wago lever nuts. I think the actual brand name is pronounced Wago, but everyone calls them Wago. The series I have here is the 221 series. I'll go through a little bit of it. So the standard 221 series comes in 3 different combinations of wire inputs, but also 2 different sizes, and I'll get to that. So I'll start with here the 2 series, most common you'll see. This is the 221-412, and there's a 413, which is 3 connectors, and a 415. The beauty of them is they're just easy lever nut. You can take wires in and out as you want. So you simply just lift up on the orange tabs and you slide your wire in there. And the nice thing is, we can see they actually give you a scale on how far to strip your wire to fit in there. So it's in millimeters, but it gives you an idea. So for example's sake here, I have 3 different wire styles. So I got a 12 gauge stranded copper, a 14 gauge solid copper, and this is a 18 gauge tinned copper. So I just have an idea of where I'm going to strip it, but just for reference sake, strip this. I'll put these strippers in the link. These are my favorite, these Greenlee 45,000s. So the beauty of this, and I'll grab the 3 one, is that it can handle every style of wire in one connector. So if you're meeting something in a junction box or some electrical component you're working on has multiple things that meet it, this can handle them all. And the nice thing too is on the back side you can see engagement of all the wires and they're not going anywhere. And the other nice thing is on the front here, it's kind of hard to see, but there's a little hole there that's also great for lets you do voltage tests. So you can actually put the prong of a voltage meter into there and check live voltage or whatever you're looking for while the wires are all in use. So that's really nice. So like I said, this is the 221 standard size series. This can accept a 24 gauge wire all the way up to as big as a 12 gauge wire. They're rated, and it says on their sides, but it's hard to read, they're rated for 20 amps 300 volt service or 32 amps at 450 volt service at a maximum temperature of 221 degrees Fahrenheit. And just for reference sake, there are bigger counterparts. This is also the 221 series, but these are the 221-612. The 613 I don't have, and then the 615 is the 5 conductor. And these big guys can handle 20 all the way up to 10 gauge wire for 30 amps at 300 volts and 41 amps at 450 volts. So I hope that helps out, guys. Like I said, these are great. You can pick them up any home store. I get them at Menards. Definitely handy thing to keep around for home projects or just simple tests that you need to do. All right, guys. Thanks.